we can use the geometry of space-time to understand and explain some of the puzzles that the Big Bang theory places in our minds. For example, does the universe has a limit? Has it borders? Or how many galaxies? Is there a fixed number of galaxies, or is it unlimited? And what happens in the borders of the universe, if they exist? We will try to explain this in space-time. Remember, this is Big Bang. This is today, now, and in our local group. And this will be the instant, our instant. So, first of all, we know that there is a maximum speed in relativity and in all the universe, that is the speed of light. So there cannot be galaxies moving apart from us at speeds greater than the speed of light. If this is the speed of light, diagonal, then we can see that the universe cannot have galaxies farther away than that. So this here and this here are the borders of the universe now in our instant, where instant goes up to this point. So, Big Bang, now, and maximum speed. If we turn around, we can see that we are in a ball, a sphere, of 14 giga light years of radius. So, the universe has a certain size. But what happens at these borders? To understand that, we can imagine that if we are here in the center, we look at a very distant quasar that is very near to the border of the universe and try to figure out what happens there. The quasar, if we make the relativity transformation, our system goes to the border of the universe if we are in the quasar. So, the quasar, which is at the border of the universe for us, if we were in the quasar, we would be at the border of the universe and they would be asking what we see there at the borders. So, the concept of the border of the universe is relative and it does not exist at all. We live in the universe that is a ball of a certain and known shape, size, but nothing special happens at its borders. And to understand it better, we can now go again to the instant. The instant is not like that, like the classical mind suppose, but like that. The instant is inclined because greater speeds incline the instant. This is a hyperbola, and we know that hyperbolas have curves that have asymptotas, that are these diagonals. The speed of light are the asymptotas of the hyperbola, of the instant, of our instant. So, how many galaxies can be in that limited universe? There is no limit because on this branch of a hyperbola, this has no limit, and we can put all the galaxies that we want. There is not an end to the number of galaxies that can exist in our universe. So now again, the speed of light and the geometry of space-time are the keys to understand this strange phenomena of our universe as explained by the Big Bang theory.